Santa Fe de Antioquia Travel Itinerary. Let's go to Santa Fe de Antioquia, beautiful and warm municipality located in Western Antioquia, where you will be able to enjoy some beautiful colonial cars. The trip will be 3 days and 2 nights. To get to Santa Fe de Antioquia, we will go by bus, but in Santa Fe de Antioquia, we will use motorcycle taxis with 3 wheels. Day 1. Walk through the historic center to get to know it and visit the Juan del Corral Museum and the Museum of Religious Art. Night 1. We will be in a renowned Bercalet Sabor Lebron. If you go to this place, you can enjoy good music and delicious Michelar sodas. Day 2. We must go to the Western Bridge. This is one of the best places in Santa Fe de Antioquia. The idea is to spend it walking. Night 2. Take a tour of the streets of Santa Fe de Antioquia in the work car and visit the Chinca Park. Day 3. Look at the stands with traditional crafts and sweets from Santa Fe de Antioquia. During the trip, we can stay in Hotel Entre Palmas, which is a colonial hotel with a swimming pool and excellent services. Or we can also stay in a Curaçao hotel that is located just 5 minutes from the central square. During your stay, you can eat a paisa tray, red tilapia with fried plantains and salad. Porridge, you can drink craft beer, lemonade, natural juice, and the famous mango Michelar from Santa Fe de Antioquia. The cost of our tour has a cost of $350,000, all inclusive.